All right, what's going on, tycoons? Super excited for today's video. We're going to look at Tesla, okay? Old Tesla, baby. Now, Tesla will make you guys some insane amount of money if you guys trade options and you are able to time it right, okay? Now, timing is everything and patience is everything. So I'm going to show you guys what to look out for and, basically some bullish price targets on Tesla where you guys can take profit at and feel good about taking profit because you're up. And the main thing of being a successful trader or a successful investor is taking profit. And if you can take profit on a consistent basis, then you're doing better than 95% of most people who try and fail and end up just giving up on the stock market. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. I got the major support and resistance levels that I want us to pay attention to. Okay, we have two major support levels at 911 and 849. So that's basically like 910 and 850. Okay, there's a big daily gap down, not big, but there's a daily gap down from 957 to 940. Okay, to that range. So look for that to fill. Okay, we previously had a gap down on Tesla. Okay, when it started that insane bull run right around earnings, okay, which is real important. I want you guys to see its last earnings, okay, what it did running into the earnings and the beginning of the month of that earnings, because it has the earnings at the end of the month, right? October 20th. So if you look here on October 1st, it's straight up from October 1st. From October 1st, we went from 762 to the day of earnings, we went to 873. And then after its good earnings, the rally just continued all the way up to 1243. All right. So, and then Tesla pulled back. It came down, filled that gap perfectly. Okay. Gaps fill 90 to 95% of the time. It's just a matter of when. You don't know when exactly the gaps are going to fill. So, I'll be waiting for this gap to fill and looking to possibly get some long Tesla positions. All right. But currently, in the Discord, in the OTT Discord, which you guys can use the link below in the description to join if you guys want to join and trade with us and just get some of the resources in there. We've been doing very, very well on Tesla. Okay, we bought this dip right here when this gap fill came. We went ahead and bought in, and I think we actually got in on this day on the 20th. And it's just been a smooth ride up. Okay, so it's currently bull flagging a little bit, right? So like a bull flag would be like this. Okay. Right, and if we break out of this bull flag, what you can do is duplicate that, and then you put it here to the bottom, and it would take us up to here roughly is the projected move for the bull flag. Okay, so that's pretty speculative. Okay, the bull flag, it's still forming, it's not really done yet, but it is something that I'm looking out for. And I know that Tesla has earnings coming up at the end of January, and I'm wondering if we're going to see another massive run up, okay, into earnings. I think Tesla is about to really destroy their next earnings call. So it should be really, really interesting and good. All right. So there's a cheap way to play Tesla, okay, is to do some debit spreads. All right. So if you think that maybe we could make all-time highs again on Tesla, what you can do is you can go to the end of January, right? Let's look up January real quick. All right. So January 21st, right? And let's go look at the Tesla options. So I have a whole debit spread tutorial video in the top right hand corner if you guys want to watch that, but I'll go ahead and show you guys one that I think is pretty good right now. You can get into, let's say let's look at the open interest here. Okay, so let's just say you do the 1275 and the 1300. Okay, now we're not betting that Tesla will go all the way up to 1275, 1300. But what you can do is if you have a good entry, you can ride some of the momentum up and take profit on this. Okay, because if you look here, it's going to cost us $201 for each trade, and the max profit is going to be over $2,300. Okay, so this is an easy 10x up your money. Now, don't hold this forever and get stuck bag holding and want to do this debit spread until you reach 2,300. If you buy it for 200 and you can sell it for 400 and get a quick 100% and double your money, why wouldn't you do that? Okay, that's much better than what Tesla's going to do if it goes up from 1,000 to 1,300. That's $300 price movement if you bought like one share, right? But if you buy these debit spreads and it moves up and it has some, you know, it has like a couple bullish days, you might be able to sell this debit spread for 400, 500, 600 bucks. All right. So that's basically what I wanted to look at Tesla. In my opinion, we will go over it. This is going to be a good, you know, area that you want to get some more long-term positions in. Okay. So let's say we run up into earnings, right? Just like we did there. And then, you know, after that, it kind of, the steam kind of draws off. So let's say January is really good. Okay. So boom, we go up and let's say, you know, we end up going up to here, let's say for January, right? And then February comes and we do something like this. We go down, back up, okay, down, back up, down, back up, down, and then we fill this gap. Okay, so this is kind of what I'm expecting from Tesla is, and a lot of big cap stocks in general is I'm expecting a pretty good January, and then once February and March get here, I'm expecting things to go down. Um, you know, so that's basically why I made this video. I hope you guys make some money on Tesla, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found anything useful in this video.